your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone is having a fantastic today on purpose. Anyway, you know, it's hot outside and I've got these pork chops that are here calling my name. Well, I've been doing a low carb / keto eating for the past week, and I don't know, I just decided to give it a try. I'm not going to be a fanatic about it, so please don't tell me I'm doing something wrong. I'm modifying my diet to cut out the carbs, and I've already started reducing my sodium, so I'm just trying to get my eating plan. I'm just trying to tighten up my eating plan. I put on some pounds after I was sick, and now I got to get these pounds off. So I think low carb is probably a good way to go, and of course reducing the calories as well. So anyway, today I'm going to do some pork chops, and instead of using my regular breading, I'm going to use some pork rinds as the breading. And so this dish is going to be keto air fried pork chops. Okay, so from I may have some keto dishes. I may fix some keto dishes every now and then, but I'm still using my breading, and I'm still using I'm still eating carbs. I'm just cutting back. I'm cutting back on the carbs and trying to establish a low carb lifestyle. Okay, guys, I've never tried using the pork rinds before as a breading, so this will be a first for me as well. So come on, guys, let's get started. Okay, so I have my pork chops here. I have 3 pork chops, I guess about a ½ an inch thick. Here are the pork rinds. I'm going to take some of them out. I'm going to grind them up, and then I'm going to use the Cigar City seasoning. I like the seasoning. This is one of my favorites. The sodium is it's very low. It's only 29 milligrams of sodium, but it has really good taste. I love the Cigar City. And then I'm going to also use the Trader Joe's 21 seasoning Salute. I just started using this and I think I like it. Anyway, so I'm going to get some of the pork rinds ground up and put in a baggie. I'll bring you back. Okay, so see, I got some of the pork rinds in there, and see, as I chop them up, okay, so this is the consistency that we're looking for to give it a crunch. All right, I think that's enough. I'm going to get these on the pork chops. Okay, let's get our pork chops seasoned. I've got the 21 seasoning Salute. So I washed and patted my pork chops dry. And I'm going to come in and hit it with the Cigar City seasoning. Okay, so now we're going to get the pork chops into the baggie. Now let's give them a shake. I could have used more of the pork rinds, but I just want enough to have just a little bit of a coating on the pork chops. Look, I think this is good enough to get a little coating on there. Okay, let's get these over into the air fryer. Okay, I got the chops over into the Ninja Foodie. I'm going to use my, this is roasted onion infused olive oil, and I have it in my Evo sprayer. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get one. Okay, that should be enough. Don't need much. Now I'm going to cook this on 380 for 15 minutes. I'll check it back like halfway and keep checking it until it's ready. Okay, so I'll call you back. Okay, so I have the Ninja Foodie on. I'm going to put air crisp. I'm going to do 375 for, I'll do about 15 minutes. I'll come back and check it in between. So I'll bring you back. Guys, look at there. Oh my goodness. I think they look good. Look, we might be onto something. Okay, let's get this plated and I'm gonna give it a taste. Guys, don't these chops look good? I'm amazed with the pork rinds. Okay. Let's give this a taste. Alrighty. I guess y'all know by now I like my food well done. Okay. Here goes. Mmm. This is good. Mmm. I didn't know what to expect, but it's actually good. Now, I think it's crispier when I use my flour. I don't know if I did something wrong, but I think it's crispier when I bread it with the flour, but this is very tasty. Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay. This is a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and fix me a plate. Thank you for joining me today and testing out this pork chops with the pork rinds. Anyway, it's a go. I would do it again. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Click like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of upcoming new videos. And until next time, Hunchovb is out. Peace.